Welcome back. So this time I'm going to install a couple of the parts that I previously unboxed in one of the other videos. The first one that I'm going to be looking at today and installing is the amber film that I got for the front fog lights. So let me set up the camera to where I can show you what the parts are that we're going to be using, some of the tools that we're going to be using, and obviously some of the materials that need to be used as well to basically be able to install these parts. So let me set that up and we'll be right back. Let's go. Okay, so some of the things that we're going to be needing to be installing these films, there's obviously the film itself. So these come in two. There's also sets out there that come in three, so you have one to play around with. I don't have that, so hopefully this goes right the first time. Anyway, so they look yellow. They are, however, amber, and the reason they look yellow is because they're on this white backing material. So they come off of that, and then they'll look a lot better. Furthermore, in this bag, there's some instructions. It tells you to use a couple of drops of baby shampoo or something like that. I don't have a baby, so I don't have baby shampoo. We're just going to use some soapy water. We'll get to that later. And then what I found as well in one of my phone screen installation kits is basically just a microfiber towel with a rubber, I guess, squeegee almost, and then a little soft card that has a soft edge that hopefully I can use this to basically install the parts and kind of rub the water that is going to be on there out from behind the film and get it out of the way. Push comes to shove, I have another installation kit. This is just I don't know, an Amazon kit with a bunch of installation stuff, knives, squeegees, cutters, and things like that, specifically for film installation. To be honest, I think for this installation is a little bit overkill, so I doubt I'm going to be using that. And furthermore, I'm going to get some glass cleaner just to clean the glass itself. I do drive my truck, so it's not the most cleanest vehicle right now. So I do want to clean out the area around the lenses themselves and then clean the lenses as well with the glass cleaner. And then finally, to actually install the film itself, what I'm going to be doing is taking this soapy water, spraying it on the lenses themselves, and then also spraying it on the film itself, both sides, both the, I guess, the sticky side and the non-sticky side, the outside, just to make sure that I have enough leeway and fluid between the film and the lenses so that I can, once I put it on there, I can kind of move it around. Once we get to the installation, you'll see that the film is slightly larger than the lenses themselves, and so it actually fits behind the bumper cutout as well, hopefully, and help to eliminate some of the lens parts or portions that you may be able to see if it doesn't cover it completely. Anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. So I think that's it. I'm gonna get everything ready, set everything up for the truck itself, get the camera pointed at that, get the lighting in there, get my little stool to sit on, and then we'll just take it from there and we'll see how this goes. See you in a minute. Okay, cleaned it with some soapy water, get the most dirt off. What I'll do now is spray some of the invisible glass just to get that on there. Use my microfiber towel to kind of clean that off. All right, so grab our piece, make sure we get the right one. Let me see, how are they mounted? Like this. So this is the right one. Soapy water. Good. Take off the film. I don't want to touch it too much with my fingers. Maybe I should have worn some gloves. All right, so spray this both sides. I use some warm water too, so let's see. All right, so push that in there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to let this dry. That should take care of some of the bubbling. I don't see any bubbles. All right. It's not perfect, but I can live with it. You know, push comes to shove, we'll get another piece. They're not that expensive, and you know, if it turns out it doesn't look great, we'll do it again. All right, so that's one side, and now we're going to do the other. Go. I'm going to clean this up first with the soapy water. It's like I said before, the truck is not very clean. Should be good. So what we're going to do now is grab the film, get ready to spray on. Wet my fingers as well. So, got it stuck again. All right, I think that should be it. I'm okay with this. I am okay with this. All right. Well, that's it. I mean, it's that easy, literally. Again, I'm going to let it dry. I'll probably end up putting it out in the sun for a couple of hours later. And I might even hit it with a blow dryer. You can always do that as well. Take a blow dryer, like a hair dryer or the heat gun, obviously on the lowest setting. And just kind of hit it with that hair dryer or heat gun. Anyway, all right. Well, that's it. Again, once it's all dry, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like outside in the day with the lights on and the lights off. But so far, I'm really, really liking this. I think this is a really nice, just a simple way of kind of making your truck look a little different from all the other trucks out. But yeah, that's it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Doei! All right, I'm going to show you the tint on the car in the sunlight. Look at how good that looks. Wow, that looks phenomenal. I love that color. Of course, I still need to wash my car. And there's the other one. That really looks good. So this one is kind of in the shade, so you can really see it. I think there's no bubbles here. I think it's just dirt. It just needs to... Yeah, that's all right. Nobody sees it. Nobody goes that close. Wow, God, that looks good. Here's a little... Let me see, what is that? Oh, it's like a crease. I guess I didn't wipe that out enough. Again, nobody's gonna see that. I doubt it's gonna blind anybody because of the refraction. All right, well, it's kind of dry. All right, good, like it, looks good, I mean.